This video shows how to use one of your existing domain name reservations to point to content you've built on vFlyer. So you click on the domains link here. You then basically click on this link right here which says already own a domain. You enter the domain that you're interested in configuring. I'll say mydomain.com. Then you want to enter an email address, and basically any email that's sent to that domain will get forwarded to that email. And the last step, the important step, is configuring what vFlyer hosted content you want to display when someone enters that domain name. And so it can be an account profile, any of your active flyers, or even any of the websites that you've got set up on vFlyer. You hit update, and you're done. Basically, 10 minutes later, our servers are going to start recognizing any traffic that it receives and display that Flyer microsite. Now, however, there's one step that you need to do with your domain register. So let's say, for example, you've reserved this on GoDaddy. Basically, you want to change the name servers associated to that domain to our name servers. So in this case, you want to enter dns0.vflyer.com and dns1.vflyer.com. Once you do that, it typically takes about an hour for the internet to recognize that change. And then all of a sudden, the traffic to that domain will then go to the content that we're hosting for you on vFlyer. Thank you.